Hello students, I am Payal Keshirvani, and in this video we will be discussing in deep about the different types of tablet dosage form, its classification and its use as a dosage form in various routes of administration. Types of tablet. Basically the tablets can be divided into four main category. The first category is the tablet ingested orally. So the tablet ingested orally includes film coated tablet, sugar coated tablet, chewable tablet, delayed release tablet, compressed tablet like paracetamol, multiple compressed tablet, and enteric coated tablets. Tablet can also be divided on the basis of tablet which are administered by other routes. These include vaginal tablets, implantation tablet. Next category is tablets used to prepare solution. These includes effervescent tablet, dispensing tablet, tablet triturate. Next is tablet used in oral cavity, which includes sublingual tablets, buccal tablets, and lozenges. Now individually we will be seeing different tablets category wise. First is tablet ingested orally, which includes first is sugar coated tablet. So what is a sugar coated tablet and why it is used? So these are compressed tablets which are coated with sugar in order to mask the bitter taste or odor of the drug. Next is film coated tablet. So film coated tablet is, these are the compressed tablets which are covered with a thin layer or film or a water soluble material. These are the different materials which is used for coating over the tablet. These material forms a thin film over the tablet. That is why it is known as film coated tablet. Sugar coated tablet is known as sugar coated because it is forming a thin film of sugar over the tablet. So by that it is known as sugar coated tablet. Now film coated tablet, a number of polymeric substance may be used for the film coating. Film coating imparts the same general characteristic as sugar coating. In addition, it offers the reduced time period required for the coating operation. This means that we can use different polymers to form the film over the tablet, and this film are having the same characteristic as that of the sugar coated tablet, and the time required for film coating is less as compared to that of the sugar coating. Next is enteric coated tablet. These are compressed tablets which are coated with substances which disintegrate in intestine only. It will disintegrate or it will dissolve in intestine and release the drug only in the intestine. Compressed tablets. These are tablets which are prepared by compression techniques in which the tablet are not coated with any material. Next, multiple compressed tablet. In this, these tablets are subjected to more than one compression cycle. The best example for multiple compressed tablet is chewable tablets, which are placed to mouth, which are chewed and swallowed. Delayed release tablets. The United States of Pharmacopoeia defines delayed release tablet as enteric coated tablet to delay the release of the medication until the tablet has passed through the stomach to prevent the drug from being destroyed or inactivated by gastric juice, or where it may irritate the gastric mucosa. Chewable tablets. Chewable tablets which are required to be broken and chewed in the mouth between the teeth before ingestion. These tablets are given to the children who have difficulty in swallowing and to the adults which dislikes the swallowing. In this slide you can see the different pictures of the different tablets category which we studied now. This is a multiple layer tablet. Here you can see the different colors which are showing the different layers of a tablet. This is pink color tablet, that is a core. Then next is another compressed layer, that is blue color. So three layers are sandwiched here, that is pink, white and blue, to form a multiple compressed tablet. This is a bilayer tablet in which two layers are compressed. You can see purple colored layer and the white colored layer. So these are the multiple compressed tablet. Next, this is a film coated tablet. You can see different polymers coating over the tablet which is smooth, and this film coating can be utilized for the prolonged or the sustained release of the drug. In this image you can see the Intaric coated tablet. So these type of tablets are released in intestine only. And this is sugar coating. You can see different sugar coating, colorful coating over the tablet, which makes it attractive also, and it masks the taste, bitter taste of the drug. Next category is the tablet used in oral cavity. Oral cavity, in the mouth cavity, what type of tablets are used? So the first is buccal and the sublingual tablets. So these tablets are small, flat and oval in shape. These tablets are formulated and compressed with sufficient pressure to give a desired buccal tablet. These tablets are administered by inserting in buccal pouch, which may dissolve slowly. Next, sublingual tablet. Sublingual tablets or lozenges are dissolved rapidly and are absorbed rapidly. Next category is tablet used to prepare solution, which includes, first is effervescent tablets. They contain sodium bicarbonate and an organic acid. This organic acid can be tartaric acid or the citric acid. So the reaction between the two produces the effervescence effect due to release of carbon dioxide. So in the presence of water, this bicarbonate and the organic acid react with each other and they releases the carbon dioxide, which act as a disintegrator and produces the effervescence. Next is molded tablet. Tablet triturates are made from moist material using triturate mold and must be complete and rapidly soluble. Dispensing tablet. These tablets are prepared by molding or compression. In this slide you can see the sublingual and the buccal tablet, how a sublingual tablet is taken. You can see a tablet is kept below the tongue and slowly it gets dissolved and the medicament is released and absorbed there only. In the buccal tablet you can see a buccal patch is being attached to the buccal cavity and slowly the drug is released here. Next is the tablet triturate. This is an example of tablet triturate, and in the last picture you can see this is a effervescent tablet. This is a effervescent tablet. See, in presence of water it is showing the effervescence effect. Thank you students. In the next coming slide we will be discussing about the process of manufacturing of a tablet dosage form.